I've traveled all the way up through the mountains now from the east side of Panay Island, and I've just started to come down a couple of the mountains, and as I come around this curve here, you're going to see where it says welcome to Antique. That's the other province, and the mountains is what is the borders between Antique province and Iloilo province. So we're finally coming down, and we can see the valleys down there, see how deep it is, how high we are. And I've already come down quite a ways. Had some spectacular views back there a little while ago, but I couldn't stop. All right. I'm at the port area of San Jose Antique. I was out here last night and I saw all these boats and I was hoping they would still be here. And quite a few have left already. The sand here, the beach sand here is the dark gray, kind of just like over in Iloilo. Mostly a fishing village. The tide's out right now. About halfway. Mountains in the background. I don't think you can see it. I'm going to try to zoom on them. But this is the smokiest place I've ever been in my life. There's a lot of stuff being burned. I'm not sure if it's the rice hulls or if they're making charcoal for their cooking, if they're cutting the trees down and making charcoal. But it's just real smoky. If you can see it in the mountains there, it looks like a haze. Well, that's all smoke. I have never, even in Cebu, I never saw it this smoky. I spent a lot of time in the mountains doing a lot of tours over there. If it was this way at night, I took a ride out toward the north of the city last night, about 15 kilometers, and it was bad way out in the areas out there too. Well, this is their port, and actually the port of San Jose, the official port, is right down here. Got a couple of big boats tied up already. Okay, so much for the port. See what else I can find here.